Click on the link below to get price. The Aceup Energy 4500-watt gas-powered generator is a robust and versatile inverter generator designed to meet various power needs. With its 223 cubic centimeters engine, this generator offers a reliable output, making it suitable for home backup during outages, outdoor events, and job sites where electricity is unavailable. One of the standout features of this generator is its impressive 4,500-watt surge capacity and 3,800-watt running capacity, which allows it to power multiple devices simultaneously without compromising performance. Whether you need to run a refrigerator, power tools, or charge electronics, this generator handles it all with ease. The inverter technology ensures that the power produced is clean and stable, making it safe for sensitive electronics. Portability is another significant advantage of the Aceup Energy generator. Weighing in at a manageable size, it features sturdy wheels and a comfortable handle, allowing for easy transport to different locations. This is particularly beneficial for campers or those needing power on the go. Additionally, the generator's compact design does not compromise on power, making it suitable for both recreational and emergency use. The noise level is surprisingly low for a gas-powered generator, operating at around 58 decibels, which is comparable to a normal conversation. This makes it ideal for use in residential areas or during camping trips where minimal disturbance is preferred. Maintenance is straightforward, with an accessible oil fill and easy-to-read fuel gauge, ensuring that you can keep track of usage and refill when necessary. The generator also includes multiple outlets, such as 120V AC and USB ports, catering to diverse power needs. In conclusion, the Aceup Energy 4500-watt gas-powered generator is an excellent investment for anyone in need of a reliable, portable power source. Its combination of power, portability, and low noise level makes it a standout choice in its category, providing peace of mind during outages or adventures.